Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. This morning we are at Fireside Cafe at Keystone. Now, what may be a little confusing when you first see it, you'll think, oh, that's just a decking place. No. Yes, but no. They do that, but this cafe is also located right there next to it. I happened to notice it actually one morning when we were leaving Shady Maple, which is basically right across the street. So I had to look them up to see, because at first glance it does look like it's just a custom decking place, but they do own and run this cafe also. The entire space inside and out is gorgeous and so well done. And don't worry, I did check out their bathrooms, I did video their bathrooms, and their bathroom was just as gorgeous. And more importantly, it was clean. I think the biggest perk to this cafe is that they have a play area for kids. It's right there. It's by the door to go inside. They have seats there. You can see your kids. They have canopies above to help block the sun. And it's a comfortable space for everyone. They have a nice menu too. In addition to cafe drinks and breakfast items, they do have ice cream and baked goods also. And I almost forgot, yes, they do have lunch items too. They are open Monday through Thursday, 6:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday, they are open at 6:30 a.m. until 9 p.m. Saturdays, they are open from 7:30 a.m. until 9 p.m. Sundays, they are closed. I tried their chai latte. I love masala chai. This was a little weak for my liking, but I still drank it all, so it couldn't have been too bad. That bacon you see is fresh and local. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video.